Hey, what's up? Bit of a different scene. Let me get a little bit away from the light here. We are busy working on my wing. I've bought this carbon wrap for the wing. As you can see it, I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and get the light to catch it here. But it's like a carbon wrap, but the gloss finish, not the Chinatown, what's it called? Not that like dry carbonish look that they've got. And we've got the wing here. She's a bit of a big boy, but we've got enough, I hope, to wrap the whole wing and the side plates, or end plates as some people call them. I don't really know, but they're looking pretty good. I'm gonna get them cleaned up, and then we're gonna get those little dead fish off there and start wrapping. I still don't know where my tripod is, so I must just excuse my terrible camera angles. But we're going to get started and see how it goes. So we've got it basically finished. I didn't record it too much, or at least I didn't do the best job of recording, but that's basically it. I'm quite impressed with the carbon wrap. I think it looks really good. We're going to put it on the car probably tomorrow. I don't know, I'm still deciding when I'm going to put it on the car again. Maybe not actually, because I still need to paint some panels inside, so I just used this as an opportunity to do it. I left all the logos on, but we just wrapped them in the carbon. It looks really nice wrapped. I'll try and see if I can show the outfitted logo that we've got in the back here. That's basically impossible to see, but you can see this light seam that we've got as well, because I had to cut one, but it's basically invisible if you're like a meter away from it anyway, so it's really not so bad. I'd say all in all it turned out really well. But yeah, we're gonna probably fit it and see what we can do. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching the video. If you did and you made it this far, consider liking and subscribing to the videos. we're going to be putting up more content, and I plan to be doing something pretty big to my car soon, so if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. Shot.
Cruising with the windows down.